Hi everyone! Ahojte! Today in Linguarte, we are going to learn the vocabulary of the supermarket in Slovak language. You can find a link in the description to download the document with this lesson and practices. Let's start! Začíname! In order to do the groceries, potraviny, in the supermarket, you might need to get a shopping cart, nákupný vozík, a basket, košík, or a bag, taška, to put your groceries in. In the supermarket, you have different aisles, ulička, where you can find all the different products, produkt. The products are usually placed in shelves, regál. The different sections or departments at the supermarket are bakery, pekáreň, vegetables, zelenina, drinks, nápoje, butchery, mesiarstvo, dairy section, mliečna sekcia. Among the types of products you can buy, there are bottle, fľaša, box, krabica, can, plechovka, package, balenie, carton, kartón. If you're unable to find a product, you can use these questions. Could you help me find? Mohli by ste mi pomôcť nájsť? Do you sell? Predávate? In what aisle can I find? V ktorej uličke nájdem? May I have? Môžem dostať? Where can I find? Kde môžem nájsť? Where is or are the? Kde je alebo sú? After picking your groceries, you need to go to the checkout. Pokladne, to pay, platiť. The cashier, pokladník. You can pay by card, kartou, by cash, v hotovosti. With food coupons, stravné lístky. And you will get your receipt, bloček. Another related vocabulary at the supermarket is nákupný zoznam, shopping list, zľava, discount, vybrať, to pick or to choose, vrátiť, to return, skenovať, to scan, dátum spotreby, expiration date, vložiť do košíka, to put in the basket. We hope you learned a lot with this video. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook to find more videos like this and other interesting facts about Slovak, Spanish and other languages. See you in the next video. Bye! Ciao!